Hello everyone. So in the last class, we discussed about the web servers. So in this particular class or in this particular session, we discussed about search engines. So what is the meaning of a search engine? What does a search engine refers to? Okay, as we know that search is nothing but looking for something. Okay, looking for something. And the real manner, the meaning of the thing is search is nothing but we have a two word search engine. Okay, search is looking for something. Okay, it might be existing, it might be non-existing, we're looking for something. Okay. Engine is the one which refers for working on that particular thing, searching on that is engine, we are looking on engines. So it refers to search engine, total thing is refers to as huge database. Okay, search engine refers to a huge database of internet resource such as, so we are, might be referred to the web pages, or we might be refers to the programs, or we might refers to the images, or we refers to the videos, or we refers to the contents, anything pertaining to a request. Okay, it helps to locate information on world wide web. So anywhere in the globe, if you are looking for the thing, it looks and find from the web servers. Okay, different web servers can able to respond to your request. As I discussed in the last session, web servers will be able to respond. The same way, the servers also provide the information such a way that do we have the search content in your web server? If it is able to found, it reply back. That means user can search for any information by passing your query, your request as a query in the form of keywords or a phrase. Okay, or a phrase. It then searches for the relevant information in the database and returns to the user. Okay, ನೀವೇನು ನೀವು ಹುಡುಕ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ವೆರಿ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ, ಓಕೆ, ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಕೊಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೇಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊಡಿ. ಆ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದನ್ನ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡೇಟಾಬೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ದಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಯೂಸರ್. Okay, it's nothing but to the user. Okay, so it's the popular, most popular today now, everybody is using it, Google. Google is the best example for the searching engines. We have Google, we have Yahoo, we have MSN search everywhere. Okay, in any system which we are connected to the internet, you can search. So Google, Yahoo, MSN search, so many different searches are there. The information gathered by the spider is used to create searchable index. I look, we, the next slides I'll give you in detail with respect to the what is the meaning of spiders and all those things. So some of the examples, as I told you, I've given on Google, Yahoo, MSN. We have Netscape, we have Alta Vista, AOL, Ask, Inktom, Overture, Excite. There are so many web servers which are there. So research engines are there. You can make use of the search engines to search for your queries or the keywords or the phrases. Okay. We look at the histories of a search engine. The first tool used for search engine in the internet was Akai in the year 1919 by Alan Emtage. In 1991, the two new search programmers, Walksoni and Jughead, has been. In September 1993, W3 Catalog was the first web primitive search engine. So W3 Catalog was the first search engine which were been developed. Okay, so basically in a search engine we have three components. One is a web crawler, other one is a database, another one is a search interface. We have three things. So one is, so the one more thing which has been added over there, here we are discussing about the tools. Okay, come across the components. Search engine components are web crawler, database as search interface. Web crawler is also known as spiders or bots. It is a software component that travels the web to gather the informations. Okay, it travels across all this, like spiders move threads, goes around all the web servers and gather the information. Database is the information on the web it is stored. Okay, all the information on the web is stored. The database, it consists of a huge web resource. Search interface. This is the component of interface between the user and a database. It helps user to search through the database. This is what the architecture look like. This architecture is having a 3 component. Content collection and refinement is a one sector. Search core is another sector. The third sector is user and application interface. Okay, I can able to see the thing over here. Okay, content collection and refinement, search core, and user application interface. Okay, so as in figures say, the end user is the one who will go to search for an application through the query that goes to the search analytics at the back end. So search analytics front end is an administrator, is look and is send to analyze the backend and send it to the content refinement system. So he go through the web with the help of the content collection and refinement. He goes to all the servers, okay, database connector, web crawler, SharePoint connector, file service connector, load connector. You look for all the connectors and check for your query. If it is found, it sends to the service search engine. And here the user and application interface is having a different web services, which is we using to respond back to the end users. Because either a SOAP, either RSS or the OpenSearch using the Jelly or a Fish web servers. Okay, the end user is replied back with respect to your query. Okay, this is how the architecture works. There are the 4 main types of search engines: the crawl-based search engines, search directories or index, hybrid search engines, or the meta search engines. So basically, web crawler, database, and the search engine major components which we have. The actual work is search engine make use of Boolean expressions. ನೀವೇನು search ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅವಾಗ and or not to restrict the widening of the results. Okay, so the search engine look for the keyword. Okay, either you look for the keyword in the index of a predefined database instead of going direct into the web search of the keyword. It then uses software to search information in the database. Okay, then once a web crawler finds the web pages, search engine then shows the relevant web pages as a result, then retrieve the web pages generally, including the title page, size of the text portion, and first several sentences, etc. Okay. The search engine processing, we have different kind of processing was there. So it processed through the indexing process. Okay, so indexing process, query process. Okay, so while indexing, it do a text acquisition, text transformation, and index creations. Text acquisition, it identifies and stores the document for indexing. Text transformation, it transforms the document into an index terms or features. Index creation, it takes an index terms created by the text transformation and creates a data structure to support a fast search. Okay, query processing, it takes 3 tasks: user interaction, ranking, and evaluation. User interaction, it supports the creation and refinement of user queries and displays a result. That's one method. Results, it uses a query and index to create a ranked list of documents. Other method. So evaluation, it point and measure the effectiveness and efficiency. But ಇದನ್ನ offline ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. Okay, done is an offline. Okay, crawler based search engines. This type of search engine uses a spider or a crawler to search an internet. The crawler digs through the individual web pages, pulls out a keyword, and then add pages to the search engine. The major example is Google and Yahoo. Okay, nowadays Google and Yahoo are having almost all the 4 types of things: crawler, search, hybrid, and meta searches. Okay, hybrid search engine uses both crawler based and directory based to obtain a result. Again, example is Yahoo and Google. Meta search engine is a tool that develops to locate the information available in www. It provides single interface that enables users to search many different search engines, index and database. Example is Docfile, Savvy Search, Metascroller. Even Yahoo and Google also uses this. So advantages of using ಏನು advantages ನಮಗೆ search engines ನ use ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ easy to acquire different information from the different topics, determine specifically the information, sorting and adding the values of the informations. Okay. Disadvantage of search engines: too many website visitors, too many website lists to the sales. Okay. So, and one more thing, authentication of the information. When you do a searching, we cannot able to provide the authentication. You might provide an information, but we cannot able to give the authentication what you people are searching for the things. Okay. These are the references which are look into the things by providing you the information. Okay. Thank you.